Hello, this is Nikesh from Tech Basics. Today we are going to learn how to delete your Tinder application on iOS device. So let's dive into it. Here I have two options for deleting your Tinder application. First option is that you can find your Tinder application on your home screen or swipe down in the screen and type in Tinder. Now long press on the Tinder application and click on delete app button and your application will be deleted. Another option is that go to your settings, then click on general, then click on iPhone storage and scroll down till you find your Tinder application. Click on it, then you will get the two options saying offload app and delete app. Click on delete app and again click on delete app. In this way, you can delete your Tinder application on iOS device. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have any queries, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.